Many of artist Harry Bertoya's sculptures, like this one, were designed to move and make sounds. Artworks that are made to move are called kinetic art. Bertoya's works are often inspired by nature. You can see that here in the piece called Dandelion. Even though the artist was inspired by nature, people in the museum often say these sculptures remind them of fireworks. Fireworks and Bertoya's sculptures are my inspiration for our project. To create your own kinetic art, you'll need paper, a rubber band, scissors, and tape. You can decorate your paper and explore different kinds of paper to create your kinetic sculptures. Metallic and sparkly papers will create a dazzling display when they catch the light. How tightly you roll your paper, how much of it you tape, and how low you make your cuts will change how your sculpture moves. Start in a corner to roll your paper into a cone. Place tape on the outside corner to hold the cone's shape. Fold the tip of the cone over, giving enough room for a rubber band to fit in the fold. Place tape around the folded over tip to lock the rubber band inside. Cut from the wide end of the cone towards the tip. Be careful not to cut through the tape. Your cuts can go as far down or can stay as close to the edge as you'd like. Hold the cut side of your sculpture and pull on the rubber band to make sure the tape holds. Now you're ready to launch your kinetic art. Enjoy your kinetic art in the air. Never aim it at anyone or any other thing. Let's see how your kinetic art moves in the sky.